Wala tayo ng kanin.
Sarap ang balat niya, no? Makakatakam na tingin guys.
Grabe oh, tumalikod na oh. Oh my God, G.
Wala tayo ng kanin. Kuha na ng kanin doon.
Yan guys, Diwata guys, siya yung nangunguna dito. Siya yung maghihiwa ng ano, ng
Mag-intro ka dito.
nangunguna sa pag-hiwa ng lutong.
Ah, grabe oh. Ang amigo ko kitang nag-slice oh.
Ayan, may nagpadala naman ng Litson. Maraming salamat. May nagpadala naman ng Litson guys, pero sa totoo lang hindi talaga sa akin dito.
Wala na nangyari.
Kay Mihards ito pinadala sa akin ngayon ang ginawa ni Mihards kasi hindi na doon kayang ubusin. So kakain kami dito together with vloggers. Hindi ko sa akin, nasa kanya ko pinadala.
Alex Crescel no?
Ang nagpadala nito Litson de las Piñas. So kakain lang kami, may kikain lang talaga. Kain ba tayo? Alex, are you ready to eat Litson? Okay. Let's find out. Let's go. Wow! Yung kanin natin, kuha na lang.
Kumuha na.
Vlogger guys. Ano lang kuha na kanin tayo.
Yan, galing pala to sa may sponsor pala to ma'am, ano, guys. Yung Litson, ano. Isa mo na, ulit si Diwata magkikiss dyan.
Kado na, kado no.
Kuha pa ng dahon.
Sarap ang balat niya, no? Makakatakam na tingin guys. Grabe, saya ng mga Diwata vloggers ngayon.
Wow, Litson, yan, Mama Alicia.
Come to the Philippines, you have to try this.
Yeah! Litson ni Whitey man, hindi natin natikman.
Wala, pinauwi na asawa ko doon.
Wow, amazing.
Wala ako, wala na. Grabe oh, tumalikod lang ako. Oh my God, G.
Oh my God.
Guys, tumalikod lang ako. Saglit, Ma'am Rowan, nawala na ang litson.
Everyone has been so nice, so friendly, and I've waited to a moment to give back. So this is amazing charity. Here's 10,000. My contribution to give food to the homeless and the less fortunate.
Did you remember guys kanina, di ba, the food is sponsored by Ali Rizal. So sige, we sharing the food for Filipino people. Lalapigyan natin kanila ng pagkain. Nahirapan ako ng English ha. 10,000 po bayan niya tumalit sa CK na sa offer. At malaking bagay ito sa mga tao din na naabutan natin ng konting tulong. At syempre dito na rin sa tindahan to kasi para mapaikot natin para may pagpupunan rin na pambili. So maraming salamat sa iyo, Alex. Thank you so much. Thank you for part of my support charity sponsor. So thank you so much and more blessings to come. Hopefully magsama pa tayo before or ba yun sa Tagalog sa English?
Collaboration next time.
Yes.
So hopefully someday we have a second
Collaboration.
Hopefully, next time magkaroon.
We will.
more second sana sa mga ibang ano pa more
Other place.
more days na magkasama tayo. So, para makapagbigay tayong tulong dun sa mga tao kailangan na matulungan natin. So, yun lang naman. Maliit lang na tulong to guys, pero at least, diba, mas nakakatuwa kapag nakikita natin nakangiti sila at masayang sila doon sa mga naibigay natin ng konting bagay na masaya na sila doon. So, yun yung nakakatuwa doon. Na-appreciate nila yung effort natin at konting bagay lang siya. At least, na-appreciate nila yung effort natin. Kaya, thank you so much.
Translation.
Translate mo, Robert. Si Robert mag-translate.
I'll give you even better.
Alvin TV.
Albin, what is your assessment what I think about the charity we did? Yes, I think it's very inspirational, very motivational, and I think, especially the story, Diwata story, right? It's a lesson that anything is possible in life, right? And I think we always have to remember where we come from. So I think what we were able to do today, we're in a very fortunate position, and I think it's a beautiful thing. And hopefully we inspire and motivate people to do good things, do small acts of kindness, because the small things go a big way. And I think we made people happy today.
Yes! Oo, thank you so much, Alec. Ano daw sabi niya?
Diwata payag ka ng ganun lang.
You're lucky.
Thank you po. Salamat po everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex.
Welcome to the Philippines.